Rang bak jelau Conrad ki sangma walaupun sengolor hapok yang dorbar bak Sorkar kamla ban Mynjur ya karai ban Pyrshah ya uniform civil code UCC Khlem tetip syuai ki badan hapok jong kabil usangma ulang ba kate haba jubab ya motion balawan ra da kinong mikmat kamauhati nong thamai ampati North Shillong melim songsak gambagre bat maurang keneng kabala kerpat ya Sorkar ban wanra da karai ka ban Pyrshah ya UCC Haka jubab jong sang mau loong bawat la ke UCC kelawan ra ya ke jing shepting bat ke jing khuslai ha ke jing mun berkat jong ipat ba ke jela ke jing Pyrshah ya ke bil Khlem do pulih shwa ya ke badan hapo jong ka kan omlong ka ha.
That when it comes to looking at the UCC and the possibility of it coming as a bill and then the possibility of it being passed, we as a state, as a government, and as political parties, we are all very much against this concept or this idea of a UCC. As legislatures, and without going through the content of what the bill intends to do, it really will not be appropriate for us at this point in time to pass a resolution simply because we don't know or there is no bill, there is nothing that has been moved. Yes, there is a fear, no doubt. Yes, there are apprehensions. Yes, there are concerns.